In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Slack. This is a really useful setup if you want Slack to reflect your availability automatically, send meeting reminders, and let you respond to calendar invites without leaving your workspace. Before you begin, make sure the official Google Calendar app has already been installed in your Slack workspace by an administrator, and that the Google account you plan to use matches the email connected to your main Slack profile. To get started, open Slack in either the desktop app or your web browser. On the left-hand sidebar, click Apps. If you don't see it right away, click More and then Apps. In the search bar, type Google Calendar and open the official app. Once you're on the app's homepage, click Connect an Account. A browser window will open where you'll choose your Google account and allow Slack to access your calendar. This permission is what lets Slack read your schedule and sync updates properly. Once your account is connected, go back to the Google Calendar app inside Slack. Open the Home tab at the top of the app panel. In that section, look for Status Sync. Then click Turn On. This enables the automatic status feature, which is one of the main benefits of connecting these two tools. After that, Slack will begin working with your calendar in the background. Whenever an event on your primary Google Calendar starts, your Slack status will automatically change to show that you're in a meeting along with a calendar icon. Depending on your settings, notifications may also pause so you can focus without interruptions. Then, when the event ends, Slack will remove that meeting status and return your notifications to normal automatically. That means no manual updates and fewer chances of teammates messaging you while you're busy. Next, you can customize your daily digests and meeting reminders. In the Google Calendar app's Home tab, click Settings, or use the gear icon if that's what appears in your version. Under Daily Schedule, choose the time you want Slack to send you a summary of your upcoming events for the day. Then, under Meeting Reminders, turn on reminders to appear in your direct message thread before meetings begin. You can usually choose how early you want those reminders, such as 1, 5, or 10 minutes beforehand. Finally, when you receive a new meeting invitation, the Google Calendar bot can send a notification card directly in Slack. From there, you can click Yes, No, or Maybe to update your RSVP instantly. If the event includes a virtual meeting link, you can also use the Join Meeting button from the same alert to launch the call quickly. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.